Hello everyone, right now we are
Saigon.
Vietnam. And today I'm with Tim, the polyglot, who can speak more than 30 languages. So,
Whatever language people ask me to speak, I'll try to speak it.
let's see how many languages can he speak. Let's go!
Prima volta che sono stato in Italia.
Hello, we want to do a language challenge asking the polyglot how many languages can he speak. Would you want to join us?
Can you tell me more specific about it?
Okay, you can pick any languages that you want him to speak and then we can test whether he can speak that languages or not.
Any language?
Like, yes, any language.
Okay, let's try.
We are doing a language challenge. Would you want to join us on this language challenge? Asking a polyglot how many languages can he speak?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Hi everyone. So all the people right here will pick a language and then we'll see if he can speak the language that we request.
That's difficult.
Okay.
To switch, but I try.
Yeah. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Yeah. What language do you expect him to speak?
Italian.
Italian.
Ok, la prima volta che sono stato in Italia, che ho andato in Italia, io non avevo imparato italiano, ma non è difficile capire perché parlavo spagnolo, francese, portoghese, sono molto semelhanti, non è difficile. The first time that I was in Italy, it was easy to understand, even though I had never studied Italian, because at that time I spoke Spanish, Portuguese, and French.
Yeah.
Polish.
A teraz po polsku. I ja wiem, bo ona teraz mieszka w Polsce i ja powiedziałem, że wymowa polska język jest najtrudniejszy wszystkich słowiańskich języków. So she asked me to speak Polish. She lives in Poland now. And I said, I believe that Polish has the hardest pronunciation out of all Slavic languages.
Can you speak Chinese?
我在日本上99大学，就是在福冈。我学习中文文学，但是以后我也在台北和上海工作。我是老师，我教管理。我教管理的时候，我用中文教书。也在日本的大学有很多留学生从中国来的。When I first came to Japan, I studied Chinese literature at Kyushu University, and then later as a professor, I taught in Shanghai and Taipei. I taught management in Chinese, and I also had many Chinese graduate students in Japan.
Yeah. Can you speak Spanish?
El español, claro. Lo que pasa es que, bueno, eso depende de ti, pero el español, porque ahora estoy hablando así cubano, pero puedo cambiar a hablar más así central de Colombia, de Bogotá, porque lo que pasa es que de niño cuando yo hablaba cubano, bueno, me sentí muy bien, así normal. Pero cuando llegué a capital de Colombia, lo que pasa es que es un poco difícil si yo uso esa manera de hablar. Entonces yo cambié para Dinamarca.
No. You understand now, you just
You're too fast. I didn't pay attention.
Because first time, lo que pasa es que yo comencé a hablar cubano, I began to speak Cuban. And it's hard for non-Cuban speakers to understand, because that's what I learned as a child. But then when I moved to Colombia to go to school, I switched my way of speaking to Colombian, Central Colombian, which is much easier to understand.
Can you speak Thailand?
โอ้ผมคิดว่าได้สิเพราะว่าผมก็เขียนหนังสือเกี่ยวกับบริษัทของญี่ปุ่นหมายถึงว่าการบริหารของบริษัทญี่ปุ่นที่เมืองไทยเป็นเกี่ยวกับเป็นยังไงทำงานที่บริษัทนั้นก็ผมสอนหนังสือที่จุฬา12 ปี So actually yes I wrote a book in Thai about Japanese management, the management of Japanese companies in Thailand, about what it's like to work for a Japanese company in Thailand. And ชอบภาษาไทยมากๆ I really like to speak Thai.
Okay.
Why would you learn how to work for Japanese in Thailand?
I know I'm teaching at the University of Chulalongkorn, and I wrote a book for my research about what it is like to work in a Japanese company. In Thai, for Thai people, when they say, should I work at a Japanese company? I say, okay, this is what it's like. This is decision making, this is communication, etc., etc.
So what?
Have you read that book in Japanese instead of Thailand?
No, I wrote it in Thai.
Okay, now you speak Japanese then.
日本語それは一番長く話している言語ですけど、初めてはね、1981年、80年ポーランド行った時に、最初日本語を勉強して、そして、いつだった4月ぐらいかな、1981年日本に着いて、その時から今まで日本に住んでます、大体。今日本の国籍を持ってます。So,
Even though I know no shit about Japanese, you know.
難しいですかじゃあずっと英語で、もちろん英語は私の母国語ですけど、一番長く話している言語は日本語です。So English is my mother tongue, but the language I speak most of my life is Japanese. 43 years. But I started studying Japanese in Poland, and then I immigrated in 1981, 43 years ago. And now I have Japanese nationality.
How about children with Germany and Russian?
She knows Russian, huh?
Okay, so zuerst Deutsch. Okay, zuerst ich habe Deutsch in der Goethe-Institut
Maybe you
studiert.
can have a conversation in English.
Okay, Moment.
Yeah.
Ja, immer spreche auf Deutsch. Ja. Zuerst ich habe Deutsch in der Goethe-Institut studiert, in Kolumbien, aber nachher ich war in der Schweiz. Aber ich war in dem französischen Gebiet. Ich habe in Genf studiert auf Französisch. Aber ich habe viel gereist und dann nachher ich habe in Berlin und Wendelstein, ein kleines Stadt bei Nürnberg, in einer Schreinerei wie ein Schreiner gearbeitet.
You know Germany?
But I'm explaining to you that, so erst ich habe in Goethe-Institut studiert in Kolumbien. So when in Colombia I learned French, Spanish, and in Spanish I learned French, Portuguese, and German. But later I lived in Switzerland, the French part, I say in French, but I visited German parts. And then I worked in Berlin in summertime and also a place called Wendelstein in a carpenter shop as a carpenter. So then I learned to speak local Baelish. So I can speak a southern dialect like that. Yeah. And сейчас по-русски. И она говорит уже хорошо по-русски. Она из Украины, где ты живешь, говорят больше по-русски,
Да,
чем
больше на русском,
украинском,
чем
да.
на украинском. Но больше на суржике говорят. И я тоже на суржике говорю.
И ты думаешь, что русский язык интересный?
И да, и сложный.
Да,
Дуже.
литература.
Очень.
И читал много по-русски. Пушкин. Я тоже. Да,
В школе.
интересно. Это сложно.
Только в школе.
Have you spoken Vietnamese?
What country is Vietnam? Đôi hôm ghé Vietnam ở đâu? Ok, em thấy bắt đầu học tiếng ở Hà Nội. Thấy dòng của Hà Nội. Nhưng sau đó tôi đến đây. Tôi có thể hiểu những thỉnh thoảng các em ở đây không hát nói dùng Việt Nam. Bây giờ thôi muốn nói Việt Nam.
Did you do Serbian?
Kada slovenski jezik koji sam učio je srpsko-hrvatski, a srpsko-hrvatski ima hrvatski, srpski i bosnijanski. No.
What advice that you have for people if they want to learn many languages like you?
You have to want to do it. Do it every day. I didn't say what it was. Do it every day. I have more than 50 years of studying languages. So for me, I've studied 47. Are you surprised?
Yeah, we're surprised.
Jing Jing Lo.
And if anyone want to learn languages as well, subscribe to Ling. This is a really amazing channel for you to learn languages. Thank you.
How sure?
And H is the same as G.